For your new construction and piping installation projects, Laco's Cool Gel protects vital surfaces and components. Shower valves, drywall, studs, and cabinetry remain safe from heat or fire damage, preventing you from making costly repairs. Cool Gel is safe for all surfaces. It acts as a barrier between the surfaces you are working near and the heat from your torch. And it's easy to clean. Let's take a look at how Laco's Cool Gel can work for you. Shake the bottle thoroughly. Open the nozzle of the bottle and spray Cool Gel liberally on all surfaces that need to be protected. Completely cover the surface and make sure there are no air pockets. When applied, Cool Gel will not run or drip. Cool Gel protects the plastic piping from damage due to excessive heat transfer. When the temperature increases, the gel begins to evaporate as the flame is applied, protecting the surrounding surfaces. When the project is finished, you can easily clean Cool Gel from the surfaces you are working on. Or you can leave it and it will evaporate in 24 to 48 hours depending on the amount applied. Cool Gel will not leave any residue on the surface. There are many projects that plumbers work on using an open flame. Cool Gel will preserve your work area and keep you safer on the job. For more information about Cool Gel, visit our website at laco.com.